Hey friends, how are you? We are here today to do Mini Madness, and the name of the game today is Finish Him. Can we finish this? I don't know, but I am gonna try my hardest. We have, it looks like 4. Oof. Okay, we're probably not gonna finish it. We're gonna see how close we can get. Okay, so I have $65 here to put towards this. This is just from a buffer in my bank account, but as you can see, we have a $10 IOU, so it's really $55. If we get close, I can pull some more money for this, but you know, if we have like a full page or two left to go, that'll probably be too much. We're just gonna kind of play this by ear today and see what we can get done. So we're gonna put 55 on the calculator, take this off, and this is paid because remember I had 65, but we're only gonna play with 55. This is my Would You Rather Taco Edition. I do have several other kinds of these, Christmas, a travel edition. I have a few others as well in my Etsy shop. And basically you just go through and you choose which one you would prefer. You scratch off the circle and you save that amount. I'm going the extra step and scratching the second circle as well and saving a little extra. I made up some spicy little rules for myself. So once again, I don't know if $55 is gonna be enough, but we're gonna sure try today. How are you? I hope you're doing well. It is, wow, July 2nd already. Craziness. Let's see. You saw yesterday, I think my sinking funds video. So I think you're gonna see this video probably tomorrow on Thursday. And, because I forgot to say anything about it in the video that's going to be up Saturday, happy 4th of July if you celebrate or whatever. I hope you're going to have a good day. Hopefully, maybe you don't have to work. Maybe you can get some relaxation time, some family time, some party time, whatever you want to do. So I hope you have a happy and safe 4th of July. This Saturday, I'm going to have a new kind of video. It's a Bloom Chic haul. It's like a plus size clothing site. So that's going to be coming on Saturday. So look forward to that. Okay, let's get going. Let's see where we're at. All right, this video will probably be pretty short as always. So here we are, chicken or shrimp. Okay, so I like both. Again, this is referring specifically to tacos. So if we're talking specifically tacos, I am going shrimp. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There. Okay, that's probably better. All right, so let's go shrimp. And we have a 3. Okay, not too bad. So according to my extra spicy rules that I made for myself, if the number is between 1 and 5, I have to triple it. So that is actually going to be $9 that we're going to subtract. And then we're going to scratch the second number here, and it's a 6. And for this second number, we're going to roll a die and we're going to multiply the 2. Whew, okay. Let's see, we're using this die that just has 1, 2, and 3 on it so that it doesn't get too crazy out of hand. So let's see what we get. Ouch. Okay, 3, so that's 18. Okay, we're down to $28, you guys. This is not looking good for me to finish this. Okay, next, refried beans or rice. Rice all the way. Refried beans absolutely disgust me. They're gross looking anyway. I don't know that I've ever even had them. Okay, another 3. So again, if it's between 1 and 5, we're going to triple that. So that's another 9. Okay, and then let's scratch the second circle here. Oh man, it's a 7. if I get a 3 and have to save $21, that already puts me out of the game. Oh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Okay. I'm trying to roll it gentle. It's a 3. Okay. Oh man. So we already have an IOU of 2. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Okay. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scratch 1 on this next page and kind of see where that puts me. I have more money, but I want it to pull a little bit of money for another video, like maybe a little Skelly book stuffing or a little bonus savings challenge stuffing, which is why I'm like battling with myself. I'm gonna just scratch the first one and just, I don't know, I'm gonna play this by ear. So soft or hard taco, I generally prefer soft, so let's go here. It's a 5. Okay. I have to triple that. So that is 15, which means we have an IOU now of $17. Okay, I'm stopping there. So we have an IOU of 17. Let me just put that here on the calculator so I don't forget. Next time, it looks like we're gonna have to have 1 more stuffing of this. Next time we'll scratch this second dot and then I will roll the die and multiply. Even though I'm not doing it today, it's really the same whether I do an IOU today or, you know, scratch it now. So we're gonna do that next time, and we're gonna have a $17 IOU for this time. I don't know if you could hear my husband upstairs. He's yelling at the dog. Okay, so let me bring back this IOU. Man, I was really excited to potentially finish that today, but I guess I should have known better. Okay, let's get a marker and write 17 here. And we'll definitely finish it next time because we have 1 full page plus that 1 extra circle. So hopefully I can get some more money. Again, I do have some more money I could use, but I wanted to do another separate little video. Okay, so $17 IOU, that's gonna go to the side. And then let's go ahead and put the money in and see where we're at with this. This was a super duper short video, shorter honestly than I even thought it would be. Okay, so let's pull this out and see where we're at with this. Okay, so total for the super spicy Would You Rather Taco Edition, we have 50, 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. $267. Yes. So close to finishing. My plan is to put this towards the Skelly book, but I don't think we're gonna need that much. So the overflow, I'm probably gonna just start a new challenge, which I do have in mind what I want to do. So yeah, we'll just see how it all plays out. But for now, that's the end of this really, really, really teeny tiny little itty bitty baby video. Thank you for watching till the end. I am so grateful you're here. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful 4th of July, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.